This tiny electric car just beat the Porsche Taycan, the BMW iX, and every Tesla to become World Electric Car of the Year 2025. And it costs less than a used Honda Civic. The 2025 Hyundai Inster looks like a Lego brick designed by someone who refused to compromise. It's short, it's boxy, it's got round headlights that make it look permanently surprised. But here's what nobody expected. This 3.8-meter-long city car has more interior space than cars twice its price. Pop the hood and you'll find absolutely nothing interesting because it's electric. But what you need to know is under the floor. You get two battery choices. The standard 42 kilowatt-hour pack delivers 203 miles of range with 97 horsepower. The long-range 49 kilowatt-hour version pushes that to 229 miles with 115 horses. That's segment-leading range in a car this small. 0 to 60 happens in 10.6 seconds, which sounds slow until you remember this weighs less than your expectations. Top speed is 93 miles per hour. Fast charging gets you from 10 to 80% in 30 minutes, and it comes with an 11 kilowatt onboard charger and a heat pump as standard. Most rivals make you pay extra for that. But the exterior and batteries aren't why this car won awards. Step inside. The Inster only seats 4 people, but the space feels impossible. The floor is completely flat because there's no engine or transmission tunnel. Every single seat folds completely flat, including the driver's seat. You can turn this into a mobile bedroom or a tiny cargo van in seconds. The rear seats slide forward 16 centimeters to give you either massive legroom or a 351-liter boot. That's more cargo space than a Citroën EC3, in a car that's smaller than a Volkswagen Up. You get dual 10.25-inch screens, wireless charging, and over-the-air updates. The infotainment feels slightly dated compared to a Renault 5, but everything works. And here's the party trick nobody saw coming. Vehicle-to-load capability. 3.6 kilowatts of power from either an external port or an internal socket. You can run a camping fridge, charge power tools, or keep your laptop alive during a blackout. Most electric SUVs don't offer this. This tiny city car does. The interior materials are hard plastics, but so is everything in this price range. What matters is the space feels airy, clever, and shockingly well thought out. So here's the price. The Inster starts at just £23,495 in the UK. That's cheaper than a Renault 5, cheaper than a Mini Cooper Electric, and thousands less than an MG4. For a car that won World Electric Car of the Year, Top Gear's Super Mini of the Year, and the Golden Steering Wheel. The Hyundai Inster proves you don't need a massive battery or a luxury badge to build a brilliant electric car. You just need to be smarter than everyone else. If you're still watching, I'm testing the rugged Inster Cross next with roof rails and matte green paint. Which small EV should I compare it against? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.